Imagine a young girl from rural Jamaica, born into poverty with no silver spoon and no powerful connections. Now picture that same girl, decades later, standing tall, taking the oath as the nation's first female prime minister. This isn't a fairy tale. This is the extraordinary true story of Portia Simpson Miller, a story that has left an indelible mark on Jamaican history. We're exploring the life of a woman who didn't just break the glass ceiling. She shattered it into a million pieces. Portia Simpson Miller's journey from a humble shack in Woodhall, St. Catherine, to the highest office in Jamaica is not just a personal triumph. It's a testament to the power of determination, resilience, and unwavering faith in one's abilities. It's a story that not only fills you with pride for being Jamaican, but also ignites a fire within you to pursue your own seemingly impossible dreams. As the world watches Kamala Harris, a woman of Jamaican descent, run for the highest office in the United States, it's the perfect time to reflect on our own groundbreaking leader. Born on December 12, 1945, Portia Simpson Miller's journey to Jamaica House is inspirational. Growing up in rural St. Catherine, she faced the harsh realities of poverty, but instead of letting her circumstances define her, she used them as fuel to fight for a better Jamaica for all. Simpson Miller's political career is a testament to her resilience and determination. In 2006, she shattered the ultimate glass ceiling in Jamaican politics, competing against three highly educated rivals in the People's National Party leadership race. She emerged victorious, becoming the first woman to lead a major political party in Jamaica. Her journey is not just a source of inspiration, but a powerful motivator, showing that with determination and resilience, we can overcome any obstacle. On March 30, 2006, Portia Simpson Miller was sworn in as Jamaica's first female prime minister. Can you imagine the pride and hope that moment inspired in girls and women across our island? It was a moment that not only marked a significant milestone in our nation's history, but also instilled a sense of pride and hope in every Jamaican. Now let's take a moment to hear from the woman herself. We've compiled a series of clips showcasing Prime Minister Simpson Miller addressing various issues.
The Jamaican people have sent a clear message. They want a more accountable and transparent government which consults them, and they should expect nothing less. On behalf of my administration, I pledge that the rule of law will be paramount and we will serve with humility. I pledge that we will honor the faith and trust of the Jamaican people. I pledge that we will reject governmental extravagance and be vigilant in eliminating corruption. I took the decision that no matter what in Jamaica, I was going to smash that glass ceiling. I felt that the time was right, that a woman should rise to the challenge and not only talk about the issues affecting women, children, and men, but to be able to do something about it. As Jamaica's first female prime minister, I see myself as opening a door, smashing that proverbial glass ceiling in order to let many of my younger sisters through. The public debt as at September 30, 2007 was $973 billion Jamaican dollars. By December 31, 2011, it had jumped to $1.6 trillion. An increase of over 60%. Then come now to parade as if the present economic challenge in the country was caused by us. And expect us to do in 6 months what they did not do in 4 years. As the debt increased over the period, the economy remained sluggish. The then finance minister began on a borrowing binge. He had found a cheaper way to put the country into more and more debt. Since 2012, Jamaica has made remarkable progress. Analysis by leading organizations show that the measures we have taken since then were and are necessary to put the economy on a sound footing for long-term sustained economic growth. We want more Jamaicans to own a piece of this rock. Between last year and this year, I have presented titles, keys, and other instruments of ownership to Jamaicans in St. Mary, Manchester, St. Thomas, Clarendon, Trelawney, Westmoreland, and St. Catherine, among others. It is always such a delight, Mr. Speaker, for me to share the joy of land ownership with persons across the island. The importance to Jamaica of our relations with the United States of America must be clearly understood. The USA is Jamaica's leading trading partner, main tourism market, and a chief source of foreign direct investment. The USA is home to the largest Jamaican diaspora. The main aim of our dialogue, therefore, was to further strengthen a partnership that existed long before the formal establishment of diplomatic relations in 1962. During our bilateral meeting, I renewed the high levels of regard which Jamaica has for the United States of America. I also expressed to President Obama and the government of the United States, on behalf of the government and people of Jamaica, our gratitude for the high levels of support provided by the United States to Jamaica over the years.
Throughout her 2 terms as Prime Minister, from 2006 to 2007, and again from 2012 to 2016, Simpson Miller left an indelible mark on Jamaica's political landscape. One of her most impactful policies was the introduction of free healthcare for children under 18 and the elderly. This move significantly improved access to medical care for some of our most vulnerable citizens. It's a legacy that continues to benefit countless Jamaican families today. Simpson Miller also had her eyes on the future, establishing Jamaica's first ministry with responsibility for climate change. This forward-thinking approach positioned Jamaica as a leader in addressing one of the most pressing global issues of our time. However, perhaps her most significant achievement was steering Jamaica through a critical period of economic reform. Working closely with international partners, including the International Monetary Fund, Simpson Miller laid the groundwork for the economic stability we enjoy today. Her ability to negotiate and advocate for Jamaica on the world stage was truly remarkable. Under her leadership, Jamaica saw impressive economic growth, with GDP increasing by 3% in 2007. This growth was accompanied by the lowest unemployment and poverty rates the country had seen in years then. For many Jamaicans struggling to make ends meet, this progress offered a glimmer of hope for a brighter future. Simpson Miller's commitment to creating opportunities for all Jamaicans was evident in initiatives like the Jamaica Emergency Employment Program. This program not only created thousands of jobs, but but also facilitated improvements in community infrastructure across the island. Her vision extended to urban renewal as well. The reinvigoration of downtown Kingston, including the divestment of the Oceana Hotel and Victoria Pier, breathed new life into the heart of our capital city. Now, it's important to note that no political career is without its challenges and criticisms. Simpson Miller faced her fair share of both, but what set her apart was her unwavering connection to the Jamaican people, particularly those from humble backgrounds like her own. Known affectionately as Mama P by many, Simpson Miller was seen as a leader for the people and a champion for the poor. Her ability to relate to the everyday struggles of Jamaicans, combined with her fierce determination to create positive change, made her one of the most popular prime ministers in our country's independent history. As we reflect on Portia Simpson Miller's legacy, it's clear that her impact extends far beyond her time in office. She showed an entire generation of Jamaican women and girls that there are no limits to what they can achieve. Her journey from a small rural community to the highest office in the land serves as an inspiration to anyone facing seemingly insurmountable odds. So, what can we learn from Portia Simpson Miller's story? Perhaps it's the importance of perseverance in the face of adversity, or maybe it's the power of staying connected to your roots, no matter how high you climb. Whatever lessons we take, one thing is certain: Portia Simpson Miller's contributions to Jamaica will be remembered and celebrated for generations to come. If you enjoyed this journey through an important chapter of Jamaican history, please hit that subscribe button and join the Impacting Jamaica community. One love, Jamaica.